So, one thing I did want to know, since we're on our way over there, what do y'all think about these vlog style videos that I'm starting to put out now? Finally reveal my face. How y'all doing? And yeah, let me know down below in the comments, like, you know, y'all like these videos a lot, so I can start doing more of these when I go to the shows, show the car out and see what directions that I get, or, you know, or it can be like, you know, what other video I'm gonna do on how-to video to do, or, you know, I am gonna do a walk around in the car once I finally get it fully done. But till then, like I said, we just still got a bunch of work to do to it, and I have not gotten even to the point where I need it to be, so it can be fully done. But like I said, that's a good beauty about this. I'll bring y'all along, and then y'all can see what I do to it to get it done, so y'all can do the same thing in your car, or get ideas from it. It don't have to be necessarily the same thing, but at least, you know, you get basically a base of how it goes. So like I said, I mean, I'm just basically here to help everybody out. Other than that, like I said, it's a beautiful day here in Texas, and hopefully we get a good turnout and everybody shows up, and we can do, you know, we have a good presence in the show and show the car off a little bit and get some demos in. And like I said, I have a good feeling about it. So like I said, we're gonna pick up my buddy here now and then take him out there, and it's gonna be his first show he's ever been to, and get a couple of demos for him and see how he can take it. And, you know, it's gonna be fun. So like I said, y'all gonna enjoy this video, man. Here we go. What's up, guys? We're here at the Import Face-Off show, checking it out. Gonna check out these cool cars, here's some systems, demo mine a little bit, and we go from there. So John? Yes, sir. Hi. Front-wheel drive qualifying round 1.
Ready, set, go.
This shit. Alright, we're here at the show, man. It was like a pretty good turnout.
I think it's an 80 gen. I'm not too up on my late model Civic.
I can check it out.
Waiting on the little EG.
Got the cars out here. Looking great. And we're gonna get some of these demos from these new cars. So you know, we'll go out there and get some bass, check out these cars, and get some racing. So here we go.
Smoking that gas, going out that sign and she on a powder. Nowadays I am on my head, I got solder. Money got longer, speaker got louder. Car.
Damn, it's hot outside too.
Yeah, I know.
I said, let's go. I said, let's go. Now let's wait. Now let's wait. No. Yeah. Well. Yeah. So. Yeah. So. Yeah. My word.
Is your truck, man? It's his? Okay.
Both these are his.
For your four boys. Look at this boy right here. Man, I think it's nice. Let's check the inside. Oh yeah, let's check the back. Beautiful.
Within my Chris, these niggas ain't shit. These niggas ain't real. These niggas frauds. Most of these haters been up and crushed your love and all only bars. So I pull a car, slam a door, break a hole, die. What's happening? the new Phantom Ghost. Same color as the taco. See me and you got different lingos. See me and you got different lingos. Let me hit them all, amigos. Rapping them bricks like burritos. We back. Finish straight off the Rigo.
Got that boy Cody right here to get that demo. Here we go. Let's see
Or
what we can do.
165. Ready?
Come on now.
Go.
Ready, set, go.
Lost 2/10.
10.
All right, here we go. We're gonna get the next demo right here by these lovely ladies.
Woo!
Your name is?
Christy.
All right, here we go. Oh yeah, it's not that bad, right?
I just got a back massage from your seat.
I appreciate
Awesome. I'm happy for you.
Well, guys, that's it for the show. I mean, hope you all enjoyed the footage, the cool cars we've seen, the demos that we got, demos that we gave. And I had a blast, man. I had a real good blast. I appreciate my buddy Enrique for coming out with me and enjoying this time with me. And then, like I said, I mean, we just go up from here. Like I said, the more we do to the car, the more we improve it. And of course, I'm bringing y'all along with me. And I appreciate y'all that have been following and supporting me. And just go from here, guys. So, till next time, because Base here. See ya.